Welcome to JH. Creating a website using Canva is quite straightforward. Starting from the For You tab, you can navigate to the dedicated website section or simply enter website into the search field. As you scroll down, you will notice an extensive collection of website templates available for use. To explore the full range of designs Canva offers, just click on See All. For instance, if you are looking to build a site for a photography business, head over to the Portfolio Websites category and select See All to browse through the various layouts. Once you find a design you like, click on it to open a preview window that also suggests similar styles. If you find a better option there, select it and then hit Customize this template. This will launch the Canva editor where you can view the entire layout by scrolling down. Modifying the content is easy. Just click on any text box to update it with your own details, such as changing a name to Andrew Huberman or updating the title to Wedding Photographer. To swap out the imagery, you can either go to your Uploads or search the Elements tab for professional photos. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the frame. With your landing page set, continue scrolling to fill in the About Me section and add your own photos. Once the design is complete, you can provide it to a developer to build out, ensuring they follow your specific vision. This approach allows you to achieve a high-quality, professional website without the high costs of custom design services. If you invest the time to personalize every detail, the results will be impressive. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.